Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Myra from K-pop Demon Hunters in Avatar World. So if you want to rock the fierce trendy look of Myra from K-pop Demon Hunters, you can just follow these steps. So first, you can change the skin tone into these colors right here. I'm getting this one, and for the eyes I'm going to change the color into brown like this. Now for the eyebrow I'm going to use this one and change the color to pink. Now for the mouth I'm going to use this pink color, and let's move on to the clothes. So for the top, the shirt, I'm going to use this crop top shirt, and for the bottom in here I'm going to wear this skirt and change the color to orange a little bit. Okay, this, I think this color is right here. Now for the shoe, I'm going to wear this one. So for the hair, let's go to the hair salon first and change the hair. So I'm going to wear this hair. Then let's dye the hair using this pink color. Okay, now let's go back to edit the avatar again. So let's edit the hair again. Here I'm going to change the hair, the back of the hair using this one, and change the color to pink. And so this is how Myra look like in Avatar Worlds. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you, so please give me a like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.